Ready when you are.
Oh, thanks.
Now.
Now?
Now.
Now? Okay. My name is Meredith Ryncarz, and this is my boudoir studio. Come on, let's go check it out. All right, so we are in the waiting room space, and you're gonna follow me back where the magic actually happens. So, come on. So, before we go any further, one of the things that our studio has, which I love, is our angel wings and our client closet. And that's something that you get to use for your boudoir shoot. I love them. So in addition to the angel wings, we have another client closet that's back here. Yes, I just knocked them down, and that's okay. But we have a client closet for you to use that includes robes and lacy, beautiful things you're gonna love, as well as lots of pearl necklaces and some more fun, spicy props for you to use during your session. But don't worry, we're gonna talk all about that during your planning call. This is our main shoot space where your boudoir session is gonna happen. And if you're lucky, you are gonna schedule a shower session, just like this one. It's amazing. It's a little bit extra, but you're gonna love it. From the angel wings you saw earlier to our very sexy shower session that we offer, we have a lot of things that we can create for you. And sometimes we get a little dirty and get on the floor. So I can't wait to help you figure out what your dream session is.